The problem with the SIMP is that they're living in a fantasy world, which is another way of wasting their energy. They created their own private Narnia, and in this private fantasy world, the outcomes that they require, based around the people they fixate upon, have got nothing to do with reality, but still they can't stop. And now what's happening is they're wasting so much time and energy in their fictional fantasy world that they can't see reality. And the reality is that they are becoming increasingly repellent and repulsive to the very people that they're seeking to impress and attract. Second, SIMP behaviour is becoming a validation whore, making jokes, off-colour remarks, engaging in small talk. We've already seen that it's a waste of time, but now what they're doing is they're irritating people. And another annoying behaviour that they can engage in is agreeing, trying to be agreeable all the time. A lot of people find those who are agreeable slightly annoying. If the SIMP has attached themselves to somebody who is borderline attractive, it's nothing they haven't seen before, and frankly, they're over it. They're hoping to be seen as somebody who has a personality, an intellect, a mind, who can make choices. They don't want to be bludgeoned into submission emotionally by somebody who's needing to fill a void in their life. So, let's get over the red pill myth. Stop buying into the idea that you are seeking to elevate yourself and join some kind of superior species. Stop idealizing people. Pull yourself together. It's delusional. You need to draw a line under it and realize that the more fantasy and delusion that you engage in, the further away from reality you're going to find yourself. Over-explaining, elaborating. There is a phrase, liars will always elaborate. That being the case, the over-elaboration is in fact a symptom of self-delusion. The bottom line is you're lying to yourself, and in order to cover up your lies, you are now elaborating and building, fantasizing and creating fictions to support your case. You're working your lies out in public, and you don't even realize that the public generally can see you doing it, and they're not going to be impressed, or they may be impressed but not for the reasons that you believe. Bottom line is, nobody cares about your story. Nobody cares about your lies or your fantasy world. You're lying to yourself, and thereby you're lying to others, and people see through it. So, my advice here, if you're simping, is to wise up. Wake up and smell the coffee. Stop it now. Get yourself stronger. Draw a line under the behaviours which have been sucking away at your energy like kryptonite. Learn how to mind your own business and thereby prosper in it. And finally, own the mistakes that you've made and move on. I hope this has been useful to you. It's certainly been useful to me. And I'll leave you with this final thought, fellow seeker. Whatever it is you dare to do or dream, begin it now.